Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Klaviyo for AI e-commerce automation step by step clearly. Visit the Klaviyo website by typing www.klaviyo.com in your browser. Click on the Get Started Free button located on the home page. Fill in your email address in the sign-up form that appears. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined. Press the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Klaviyo. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, you will be redirected to a setup page. Fill in your business details, such as your company name and website URL. Select the industry category that best describes your business. Specify the type of products you sell. Enter your estimated monthly revenue. You may also be prompted to share how you plan to use Klaviyo. Next, create a profile for your e-commerce platform, choosing from options like Shopify or WooCommerce. If you don't see your platform, select Other to proceed manually. Follow the instructions provided to connect your e-commerce platform to Klaviyo. Authorize Klaviyo to access your store's data as needed. Set up your email sending domain by following the step-by-step guide provided. Verify the domain setup through your email provider as instructed. After completing the initial setup, navigate to the dashboard. Explore the features available, including email automation and customer segmentation tools. Click on the Flows tab to create your first automated email sequence. Choose from pre-built templates or start from scratch based on your marketing needs. Save your flow settings before activating it to ensure it starts working. Monitor the reports and analytics once your automation is live to gauge performance. Congratulations! You are now registered with Klaviyo and ready to enhance your e-commerce automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.